My name is Daniel Rowell, and this is a potato cannon. One of two spud shooters I'll show you. They're made of PVC pipe, and this one's powered by hairspray. Be careful with hairspray. It's quite flammable. To load the cannon, you simply ram a tuber down the barrel, the ramrod, like so. And the end cap here, it's got a lantern sparker in it. And that's used to ignite the hairspray. So, you spray some hairspray down in the back of the cannon. Twist the cap on. Then you're ready to shoot. Just twist the sparker. An alternative is to use compressed air to make a gun that's quiet so you won't wake your neighbors. This is an excellent example. Simply fill the tank with air by means of this valve right here, and then turn this to shoot it. The only problem is that instead of costing $20 to make like its hairspray powered relative, this one costs $40, but it's still a whole lot of fun to shoot.